क्या आप मुझे देख सकते हैं? Can you see me? Can you see me? मुझे आपसे कुछ कहना है. I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. क्या तुम वहां जा सकते हो? Can you go there? Can you go there? उसने मुझे बुलाया था. He called me. He called me. आप यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? उसे उठने दो. Let him get up. Let him get up. मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this. I can't do this. वो बहुत खुश है. She is very happy. She is very happy. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. ये बहुत मुश्किल है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. उसने मुझसे वादा किया था. He had promised me. He had promised me. बहुत धीरे बोलो. Speak very slowly. Speak very slowly. वो घर पर नहीं है. She is not at home. She is not at home. मुझे वो पसंद है. I like that. I like that. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? इसे वहां रख दो. Put it there. Put it there. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा हूं. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. उसे यहां मत लाओ. Don't bring him here. Don't bring him here. वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I don't like him. I don't like him. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? कृपया ध्यान से सुनो. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. मैंने उसे नहीं देखा. I didn't see her. I didn't see her. मैं वहां जाना चाहता हूं. I want to go there. I want to go there. क्या आप मुझे समझ सकते हैं? Can you understand me? Can you understand me? वो अभी आया. He just arrived. He just arrived. मुझे ये करना होगा. I have to do this. I have to do this. वो बहुत सुंदर है. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. तुम ये कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं रह सकता. I can't live without you. I can't live without you. उसे ये मत बताओ. Don't tell him this. Don't tell him this. वो बाहर है. He is outside. He is outside. मुझे इसे समझना है. I need to understand this. I need to understand this. उसने मुझे देखा. He saw me. He saw me. ये कितना समय लेगा? How long will this take? How long will this take? आप कितने बजे आओगे? What time will you come? What time will you come? वो मुझसे बात करना चाहता है. He wants to talk to me. He wants to talk to me. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. वो यहाँ नहीं रह सकती. She can't stay here. She can't stay here. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. मुझे ये करना होगा. I have to do this. I have to do this. उसे वो मत दो. Don't give that to him. Don't give that to him. मैं उससे मिलने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to meet him. I am going to meet him. ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important. This is very important. क्या तुमने ये किया? Did you do this? Did you do this? मुझे उससे मिलना है. I have to meet her. I have to meet her. आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? उसे ये मत बताना. Don't tell her this. Don't tell her this. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. I can do this. I can do this. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? ये तुम्हें पसंद आएगा. You will like this. You will like this. मुझे विश्वास है तुम कर सकते हो. I believe you can do it. I believe you can do it. वो मुझसे बहुत प्यार करता है. He loves me a lot. He loves me a lot. कृपया जल्दी करो. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. मैं अब और नहीं रुक सकता. I can't stay any longer. I can't stay any longer. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. She deceived me. She deceived me. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very urgent. This is very urgent. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. तुमने ये अच्छा किया. You did this well. You did this well. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. I have something to say you. I have something to say you. वो बहुत देर से आया. He came very late. He came very late. क्या ये ठीक होगा? Will this be okay? Will this be okay? मैं इसे वापस नहीं कर सकता। I can't return this. I can't return this. क्या आप ये कर सकते हैं? Can you do this? Can you do this? उसे मुझसे बात करनी होगी। She will have to talk to me. She will have to talk to me. मैं ये समझना चाहता हूँ। I want to understand this. I want to understand this. वो मेरे बिना नहीं रह सकता। He can't live without me. He can't live without me. तुम मुझसे मजाक कर रहे हो। Are you joking with me? Are you joking with me? मैं उसके बिना खुश नहीं हूं। I'm not happy without her. I'm not happy without her. क्या तुमने उससे बात की? Did you talk to him? Did you talk to him? उसने मुझे बताया था। She told me. She told me. मुझे यहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए। I shouldn't be here. I shouldn't be here. तुम्हारा विचार क्या है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? उसने मुझे चौंका दिया। He surprised me. He surprised me. क्या हम बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk? Can we talk? मैं तुम्हारी मदद करना चाहता हूँ। I want to help you. I want to help you. ये बहुत पुराना है। This is very old. This is very old. क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see her? Did you see her? उसे ठीक करना होगा। It needs to be fixed. It needs to be fixed. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ। I love you. I love you. क्या तुम थक गए हो? Are you tired? Are you tired? मैंने ये क्यों किया? Why did I do this? Why did I do this? तुमने मुझे परेशान किया। You upset me. You upset me. मुझे उस पर भरोसा है। I trust him. I trust him. क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे और जानना है। I want to know more. I want to know more. ये बहुत अजीब है। This is very strange. This is very strange. उसे मेरी मदद चाहिए। She needs my help. She needs my help. क्या ये संभव है? Is this possible? Is this possible? मैं उससे इम्प्रेस नहीं हूँ, यानी मैं उससे प्रभावित नहीं हूँ। I am not impressed by him. I am not impressed by him. उसने मुझे अनदेखा किया। He ignored me. He ignored me. क्या तुम ठीक महसूस कर रहे हो? Do you feel all right? Do you feel all right? ये मेरे लिए नया है. This is new to me. This is new to me. वो कहाँ गया है? Where has she gone? Where has she gone? मुझे इस पर विश्वास करना होगा. I will have to believe this. I will have to believe this. तुमने ये कब किया? When did you do this? When did you do this? ये बहुत जल्दी है. This is too soon. This is too soon. मैंने उससे सुना. I heard it from her. I heard it from her. उसे मेरी ज़रूरत है. She needs me. She needs me. मुझे ये करना चाहिए. I should say this. I should say this. वो कब लौटेगा? When will he return? When will he return? आपने ये अच्छा किया. You did this well. You did this well. मुझे उससे मिलने की ज़रूरत है. I need to meet him. I need to meet him. क्या तुम इसे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? उसे यहाँ रुकना होगा. He needs to stay here. He needs to stay here. मैं इसे खोज नहीं सकता. I can't find it. I can't find it. वो क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? मैं इससे सहमत नहीं हूँ. I don't agree with this. I don't agree with this. तुम्हारी मुस्कान खूबसूरत है. Your smile is beautiful. Your smile is beautiful. क्या हम वहाँ जा सकते हैं? Can we go there? Can we go there? उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. She betrayed me. She betrayed me. ये बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. मैंने ये तय किया है. I have decided this. I have decided this. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? उसे आराम की ज़रूरत है. He needs rest. He needs rest. ये बहुत मज़ेदार होगा. This will be very funny. This will be very funny. मैं उसके साथ जाऊंगा. I will go with her. I will go with her. क्या आप उसे जानते हैं? Do you know him? Do you know him? मुझे उस पर गर्व है. I am proud of her. I am proud of her. ये ठीक नहीं है. This is not right. This is not right. क्या तुम इसे बदल सकते हो? Can you change this? Can you change this? उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला. He lied to me. He lied to me. आप यहाँ कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? मुझे तुम पर विश्वास है. I trust you. I trust you. वो बहुत जल्दी में था. He was in a hurry. He was in a hurry. मैं इसे ख़त्म करना चाहता हूँ. I want to finish this. I want to finish this. क्या ये आसान है? Is this easy? Is this easy? उसने मेरी मदद की. She helped me. She helped me. मुझे उसका इंतज़ार है. I am waiting for him. I am waiting for him. ये बहुत खराब है. This is very bad. This is very bad. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मैं उसे भूल नहीं सकता. I can't forget him. I can't forget him. ये काफ़ी ठंडा है. It is quite cold. It is quite cold. मुझे उसकी याद आती है. I miss her. I miss her. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? वो बहुत बीमार है. He is very sick. He is very sick. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like this. I didn't like this. उसने मेरा सम्मान किया. He respected me. He respected me. मैं तुमसे मिलने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ. I am eager to meet you. I am eager to meet you. क्या तुम्हारे पास समय है? Do you have time? Do you have time? उसने मुझे अनुमति दी. She gave me permission. She gave me permission.
सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.